Linear equations in two variables. That will be ax plus by plus c that equals to 0. This is an equation having two variables x and y. So this is called linear equation in two variables. So we will have to solve. If it is given a system of simultaneous linear equations. A system of simultaneous linear equations, that means a system of linear equations would be given like this: ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Another equation it will be like this: by plus c equals to 0. That means a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. So these are two equations. We have to solve these two equations by the graphical method. The other methods are there. We will have to solve these two linear equations. Okay. Two linear equations, a system of linear equations given, we have to solve for the values of x and y. We have to find out the values of x and y. First thing, we have to apply the graphical method. First one. Graphical method means as it is a linear equation, it is another linear equation. We will have to find out the graph that will be a straight line. For a linear equation, the graph is always a straight line. For linear equation, if you construct on a graph paper, then you will find a straight line. As there are two equations, we will have to find out two lines for two equations. The lines should be like this. This one, suppose this is L1 and L2. First case. And secondly, you can find the two lines like this. This is L1, this is L2. And third one you will get like this. One line will coincide with the other. These are the coincident lines. These are parallel lines. These are known as intersecting lines. These are coincident lines. If you draw two lines for these two equations, you will find the lines may be parallel, the lines may be intersecting, the lines may be coincident lines. So from these three conditions, we have to find out the solution of the system of linear equations. In this case, we'll discuss very briefly. If the lines are parallel, then the lines are coincident, and if the lines are intersecting, then how many solutions you will get. Okay. If you get the two lines like this, if L1 is parallel to L2, L1 is parallel to L2. In this case, no solutions you will get. You will get no solutions. That means no solutions will be determined for the values of x and y you cannot get. In this case, L1 and L2. L1 and L2 are intersecting lines. So here only one solution. Only one solution you will get. For the values of x and y, you will get only one values of x and one value of x and one value of y. In this case, L1 and L2 are coincident lines. Coincident lines. Hence, you will get infinitely many solutions. Try to remember. If the lines on the graph paper you get are parallel, no solutions. If lines are intersecting, only one solution. If lines are coincident lines, then infinitely many solutions you will get. Okay. Now we'll solve some questions from by solving this one, by getting the lines parallel, intersecting and coincident. We'll solve three questions. One out of this one out of this one, and one of this one. Okay, we'll solve these three different questions. Two equations, x plus 2y equals to 3 and 4x plus 3y equals to 2. Then we'll have to find out the line or a graph of this equation and the graph of this equation. Now for equation 1, x plus 2y equals to 3. That implies we'll get 2y will be 3 minus x. That implies y equals to 3 minus x by 2. Here we got the value of y equals to 3 minus x by 2. Now putting x equals to 3 in equation, suppose this is third I. Putting x equals to 3 in equation 3, what will get? Y equals to 3 minus 3 by 2, that is 0. Here I'll get the box. I'll take 3 points. I'll get the 3 coordinates in order to draw a line. This is x and y. If x equals to 3, then y you got 0. Now putting x equals to 1, y will be 3 minus 1 by 2. This is 2 by 2, that is 1. x1, y1, x1, y1. Now putting x equals to 7. X equals to 7. Y will be 3 minus 7 divided by 2. This is minus 4 by 2. This is minus 2. 7 minus 2. x7, y minus 2. So these are the 3 coordinates you got. 3, 0, 1, 1, 7, 2. On the graph paper, if I'll draw a line on the graph paper, it will be like this. Suppose this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is minus 2 is there. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. First one 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. This is the point 3, 0. Then 1, 1. x1, y1. It will be here. 1, 1. Then 7 minus 2. I'll have to do like this. Minus 1, minus 2. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2. It will be here. 7 minus 2. By joining these 3 points, you will get a line like this. Okay. Now, for the second equation, it is given 4x plus 3y equals to 2, I will have to construct another line and they will intersect on the graph paper. The point of intersection will be the solution of this equation. If they intersect at this point, suppose, then 3, 0 will be the solution. X equals to 3 is the solution, y equals to 0 is the solution. If they will intersect at this point, any point, they will intersect, then you will get the solution. The point of intersection will be the solution. So let's construct the other line here. Equation 2. For equation 2, it is 4x plus 3y equals to 2. That implies 3y will be 2 minus 4x and y will be 2 minus 4x by 3. 2 minus 4x by 3. Now putting x equals to, before putting the values of x, you have to just consider the equation. Here 2 minus 4x is in the right side, so that should be divisible by 3. It will be very easy in order to draw the lines in order to get the coordinates of x and y. So here it is 4x, so you have to consider 2 minus 4, y will be 2 minus 4 minus this will be 16 plus 16 by 3. This is 18 by 3. This is 6. Here another box like this, x, y, x, y. This is for equation 1. This is for equation 2. If x is minus 4, y is 6. If x is minus 1, y will be 2 plus 4 by 3. This is 2. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. If x equals to 2, if x equals to 2, y will be 2 minus 8 by 3. This is minus 6 by 3. This is minus 2. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. These are the conditions you got in order to construct two line segments. If you put the values of 3, 0, 1, 1, 7, 2, you will get one line. If we put the values of x minus 4, 6, minus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, then you will get another line. And this point of intersection will be the solution of the system of linear equations. What do you mean by solution? Solution means you will get the value of x and y that they will satisfy both the two given equations. This is called the solution of a system of linear equations or a system of simultaneous linear equations. Okay, come to the next question, please.